Welcome to WellNerds. The host, smiling, says, "Hey WellNerds. Today we're looking at how cutting-edge protein mapping, called Phosphoproteomics, is helping doctors tailor treatments for type 2 diabetes. A team in Denmark and Sweden used this approach to find hidden differences in muscle response to insulin, opening the door to personalized care." The host explains, type 2 diabetes affects nearly 500 million people globally. But not everyone's disease behaves the same way. Some people's muscles respond to insulin better than others, even if they all meet the same blood sugar test criteria. The host continues, researchers from the Novo Nordisk Foundation and Karolinska Institutet took muscle samples from 123 volunteers, some with normal sugar control, some with diabetes. They measured about 3,000 proteins and 15,000 phosphosites, tiny chemical tags that turn proteins on or off using mass spectrometry. The host reveals, they discovered big differences even within the same diagnostic groups. For instance, some people with diabetes had protein patterns just as good as non-diabetics, and vice versa. The host details, good insulin response was linked to proteins in oxidative phosphorylation, your cell's power plants, and fat metabolism. Poor response showed up in proteins tied to protein breakdown and WNT signaling, a less studied pathway. The host highlights, one standout finding was a special tag, AMPKγ3 S65, that only appears in human muscle. It marked how well muscles handle sugar when you're fasting. This could become a new drug target to boost insulin action without harming other tissues. The host adds, they also saw small sex differences. Women leaned more on fat-burning proteins, men more on glucose pathways. But overall, the same core mechanisms of insulin resistance applied to both. The host explains why this matters. Right now, diabetes is diagnosed by blood sugar tests like fasting glucose or HbA1c. This study shows we could go deeper, measuring muscle protein tags to see exactly what's broken. That means drugs and lifestyle plans could be customized to each person's molecular profile. The host summarizes the key takeaways. First, phosphoproteomics reveals hidden differences in insulin response. Second, AMPKγ3 S65 is a promising new marker and target. Third, personalized protein profiling could reshape diabetes care. Smiling, the host says, if you enjoyed this, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more breakthrough science, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. Stay curious, stay healthy. See you next time on WellNerd.